Hello everyone, welcome to Fijian Investment Trader. This is Mr. Singh. Folks, Tesla, ticker symbol TSLA, Tesla. What a week we had. Lows of 175 to the highs of 194. The true support and the resistance level both acted, and we discussed in the previous video. I'm excited because we have a breaking news I want to share with you guys and an uptrend what I'm seeing it as a breakout. Folks, before that, key things about myself: I'm a big time Tesla investor. I invested when the time is right and when the time to sell, right? And I do have a portfolio on the separate one that I have been holding for past 5 years, which I'm really excited about it. And vacations, yes, vacations itinerary is coming. It's right on the screen over here, as you guys can see. Going to Hawaii Islands for 5 days, and then back to Fiji Islands, and then coming back to States. Well, if you have any questions, you want to know about Hawaii or Fiji Islands, feel free to smash the like button and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe though. But ask me, feel free. I will answer any questions you guys have for those two islands. Are we doing the videos over there? I'm gonna turning my camera on. You can see the view over there and enjoy as you listen and hear the video at the same time and watch the video at the same time. So I'm excited. I love it. Overdue. So time to take a break and do some work at the same time too. Well, back dig dive on what's going on. So we know 5 days we've been down by we've been up by 3.1%. 1 month 11.5%. 9% on 3 months, and year to date 22%. That's not why we want to see Tesla, but hey, what goes up sometimes comes down, and there's the reason behind it, right? Which I'm going to discuss in the video. So stay tuned, don't go anywhere, because there's a lot of things I want to cover with you guys, and I'm excited about it. Well, call options. You can clearly see there's a lot of call options going as on the Tesla. We do have put, right? You do see a put options over here that expedites on the 16. But a lot of call options, you can see on Tesla compared to that. That's a ratio of about 75 to 25% on the call options, which I will take any given day on that. So there's a lot of people are seeing that Tesla is going to go high, which is same as me. I can see why Tesla is going to go high, in highs of $230 to $280 in a matter of time. Why? The growth isn't enough, right? So this is what's happening, right? So in USA, sales grew roughly about 46% faster than the sales of a mild hybrids, right? I don't see people using hybrid. Hybrid is a good car too, but in the fully EV, people have shifted on that. Sales of EV is increased to 11%, right? Nice, right? A more growth forecast. Cox Automotive expects EV accounts is about 24% of the total vehicles sales in 2024, and it's about 17% in 2023. That implies the 40% growth of both EV and hybrids. The growth seemed to be fly in the face of sentiment along with US automotive, and sent an EV sector stocks lower. Well, but the demand is the only part of the picture. That the supply of cars are equally important. Automotive have produced EVs and in US market partially because of the government subsidy. It is harder to know how many people really wanted to buy, right? So, well, a lot of in US, Tesla is getting a tough competition from all the OGs of automotive, and they're coming up with a cheaper price at the same time too. But Tesla has a brand, right? Brand. When you have a brand, then everybody is gonna be buying it from you because you've been in the market for a long time. All these companies such as Ford, Honda, Nissan, Mustang, right? Under Ford, they are all newbies on EV cars because they are learning how to do it, and they can afford sometimes. They can afford sometimes on a cheaper model, but it's not substantial, right? They are not substantial to do that. If they're going to be selling at a lower price, they're just driving the price down, right? With the government subsidy in US, where you get a rebate from the government, it plays a part where it drives a sales up higher than that, as an expected on that. So and the companies do a partnership with the government in order to bring the price down, and becomes more affordable too. Which also Tesla, we know how the Chinese economy is going close to recession, with they're struggling it. They have started they have reduced their sales price down in China too, because Neo, Xpeng, Li Auto, Alibaba, they're all right there gunning for those markets in China too. But Tesla is a big dog. Big dogs like to know because they are alpha, right? Tesla is an alpha around any other EV sector, and they know what they're doing, especially Elon Musk on his plan. Well, let's talk on the Tesla stock, right? Let's where we heading. So dig dive 5 days. Okay, we're gonna quickly look at 3 months, folks. 3 months, one good sign, and that's why I'm saying it's gonna be breaking out, because time and time you can see this is our purple line, right? That's the 60-day EMA moving average. Time and time got rejected, came close, got rejected, and we have a free fall during the innings time, and came right all over here. But now we broke out. It's acting as a support, right? MACD is showing an uptrend too. RSI still having a lot of room left, but not so much, right? Because I can clearly see it going to 200 and getting rejected and coming back again. So how this is going to play out? So it has been playing out like this, right? It's going to go test, got rejected again, go test, go rejected again, and then go high again of $214. What is creating is going to create higher highs and higher lows for an uptrend pattern. 6 months, we're going to look at the 6 months quickly, where you can clearly see that. As you know, I'm struggling with my gadgets right now, but you can see that 60-day our 60-day EMA, which is the purple line, sitting at 191.93, which we closed on Friday at $193.57. Now it's acting as a support, right? So this is the drawing that I had on the 3 months. I'm quickly gonna delete it, and if I know how to delete it, it looks like, but I know I'll get it done. Give me a sec. Here you go. Let's go. And it's acting as support, but it's sitting right here, like I said, at $214, where you're gonna have a pullback coming back, which is gonna create in higher highs, right? So far we got rejected. We went up high of 194, got rejected, and I'm glad to see that the moving average is now becomes a support. Once the moving average becomes a support, it means they're gonna go test another moving average, which is sitting at $114, which is my resistance level, but it is sitting roughly at around at $211. I don't know what I'm saying, but $211.79 where it is sitting right now. Year to date, we're gonna quickly look at it. Year to date, let's go. I'm excited. I'm pumped because this is the money. Look at it. RSI pointing up. We had a crossover on the MACD. Look at that. Right, we have green bars, folks. Green. Finally, we start seeing a momentum change. So the green bars came in, and this is what we have. Right, I'm still holding Tesla stock, as I mentioned. I showed you on my previous video. I'm here for the long run, and this is the time where you buy the dip and you move forward with Tesla, right? Or any other EV sector that you're looking at. So 5-day right here, 60 days still over here. We do have that crossover. When we had the sharp crossover, you see the gap. You see that gap that had dropped down? I can see filling all the way to 214 and come back again and creating higher highs and higher lows and moving forward, because you have to fill that gap in order to come back down, because once you fill it up, I will have the pullback, because these two resistance, where on year to date, they're sitting right around at 210 and 227. But I'm not worried about it, because we're gonna smash it, destroy it, and gonna go make higher highs and higher lows. Like I said, on the 6 months, right over here, there you can see that it's acting like as a support level. And I'm gonna expand my chart so you guys can have a better look on that on the screen. So you can clearly see it's acting like a support. If I move it, right, you can see it right over here, right? It's acting like it is a support level right now, which is gonna be where I had my previous resistance sitting at 192.05. So I like what I see. There's a good trend of going and making higher highs on the week coming up for you. Folks, buckle up. This is Tesla. This is not any other stock that you have to worry about. That it moves a day of a $50 to $100. I've seen it many times with Tesla. Once the momentum is right, when you have some sort of a breakout news, and once they broke our key resistance level. It's just an overdue with Tesla right now. So folks, buckle up, fasten your seatbelt, because this is an enjoyable ride coming off with Tesla, and a shift of a sector in trading. So EV has been down for past 4 months. Now it is shifting, right? You can see the momentums. You see some of the EV stocks are coming into back some live, right? So it is a shift, and when the shift happens like that, a second month or the third month, it is gonna be a lift off. So hey folks, I'm gonna let you guys go. I hope you guys are having a great weekend, and thank you for watching the video. Like I said, I've shared my portfolio under my previous video. It's still there. I'm gonna show it on my next video where I'm at on Tesla. But hey folks, it's an enjoyable ride coming up. So enjoy the Super Bowl. If you're watching, if you know what I'm talking about, hey, cheer for your favorite team. My team is not there, but what the heck? Go whoever wins. I don't even care. So overall, have a great day, and thank you for watching.